So as I've been plumbing, I was using the wrong kind of heat source. I was using a little torch, and it was a butane torch, and it was heating it up too rapidly. Then I realized that I have a heat gun, which is making this job a lot easier, because this will not go on here with just manpower. You have to heat it up. Here we go. Look at that. Now, there we go. Now we're all the way up. There we go. Now we're all the way up there, and that's that. Okay, some time has passed and I have made some alterations. I took off the giant gate here that was probably 100 pounds, so don't need that weight. I gotta think of a way to, I want a gate here, you know, I don't think things are gonna fall out, but what if they do? What if it rattles? What if I have something back here and I just don't want it to fall out? I want it to slide and at least give me a fighting chance. Got a little wood rot there, which kind of regretting that I didn't fix first. Anyway, here's the system. Got the Comet P40 installed. Learned all about it. Not quite plumbed everything up yet. I'm going to do the bypass next. I'm just going to use some hose from over there. All this is the crush proof, crush resistant hose. All right, so we have the system that goes, by the way, these tools have been very valuable in this experience. They're like steel cutters, but I used them to cut like those clamps there. I used them to cut the rubber. Those scissors have been quite nice for cutting steel. Also, these things are indispensable for cutting hose and cutting PVC pipe. I mean, these things will just go right through PVC pipe like nothing. Anyway, some issues I see. Here's my SH tank. But I'm a little worried about the corrosiveness of SH and keeping things clean, you know, using it and then clearing it out. I'm not real sure how to do that, but I'm doubling up on all the clamps here. This here is unstable. I figured I would zip tie that here to kind of stabilize this and maybe make a bracket here. Here's my water system. As I've shown you, I double up on everything here. I actually, last night, primed this pump a little bit, so you'll see some water in here. And I'm not going to go through the full tutorial, but I saw a video about how you run water through the inlet, and as you're running water, you pull on the cord slowly until water starts to come out the outlet. So basically, you're pumping water into the system to prime it. That's not all I'm going to do. That's what I made this system here for. I am at some point going to force water through here to prime the pump for the first time, to get as much water in the system as possible.